Hey guys, welcome to this next episode. Today I'm going to be scripting on Scratch. The previous video that I did, and it will be in the description, of how to make this little fan maker. It can be anything, but I'm doing a fan. As you see, the green flag means start, and it's not doing anything. This will be for kind of beginners. If you already know how to do this, just skip the video. So yeah, let's get started. So I just pulled this to the front layer, so we'll put that just like that. And then here we will set to this. So first we will choose a sprite, and in the search bar up here you're going to type in button. There's 3 choices you can choose. And now we have our button. Choose your color. I'm just going to delete this, and then come to your text right here and say blade. Alright. So now we have this. So we'll say in events, when this sprite clicked, we can do something fancy. Play sound pop. Start sound pop is better. When this sprite clicked, start sound pop, that was in sound. And then we're going to do broadcast, which is in events. And we will change and we will say blade style as our broadcast. To do that, you click on the broadcast, and you just click new message, and then you name it and hit OK or enter. Okay, now we're going to go to our blade, and we're going to say when I receive blade style. So this button, when it is pushed, it is broadcasting out to all the other sprites blade style. And I coded this one right now. We're coding it, and it's going to say, hold on, out, 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 out. Alright, so now we're going to so now it broadcasts, blade style. So when this picks up blade style, we're going to say next costume and looks. And the costumes are these things. We'll delete the blank one. So we have this and this. So when I receive blade style, when we hit the green flag, you're going to click it, and it should have these 2 costumes that we have. And now you're going to 2-finger click the blade sprite down here, duplicate, and we're going to delete all 3 blocks, 2-finger click, and then on this right here, it won't work over here. So now we're going to go to costumes, and we're going to say, what is frame style? Just frame. Alright, so we can move that. So we'll say, when this sprite is clicked, broadcast. Both of those are in events. Broadcast, and we'll say frame. Oscar, get out of there. And then broadcast frame, and then we'll go to sprite 1, which is fan or frame, the frame or fan, and then we're going to come in here and go when I receive blade style. No, not blade style. Frame. So this frame icon, frame sprite, is broadcasting to all the sprites, and this is the one that's going to pick up when I receive frame next costume. And then we can, let's actually do, go back, you don't have to do this. Play sound pop, we'll do start sound pop. Alright, and then we have this frame, and it has the 3 costumes that I have made for this. And then we're going to go a little further into this. If you don't want anything more than just this, then that's all you need to do. But if you want more advanced stuff, we can do that. So now let's get into part 2. So here we're going to go and let's just fetch a different button. So button, let's choose this one. It doesn't have to be this one. And costumes, and we're going to say blow, exclamation point. And then now we'll say when this sprite is clicked, broadcast blow, blow, and somewhere in there we'll put start sound pop. Start sound pop should come before the broadcast, but play sound could come after or before, but before the broadcast, it will just delay the broadcast. Alright, so now let's go into here and say when I receive blow, turn 15 degrees, and this, if we click it, it's turning it 15 degrees, which is pretty cool. But that's not all of it. And then we're going to do repeat until on the turn 15 degrees. Repeat until let's say key space pressed, which is in sensing, and then it's going to blow. And then here, do I have? I do not have my I'm going to go here and oh, I don't have my on sounds, so I don't have it. So I have my Trevor fan, which looks somewhat like the one that you see right here on the screen. So right now, quickly, I'm going to record that. Alright. Alright. You probably could have heard that. Alright. So we're going to save that, and actually, you don't have to have a fan for this. You can just look up sound effects and then do some other things. Alright, so let's go ahead and make this part louder. Alright. And we can delete this tiny little section. Alright, we can get rid of that a little more. And perfect! And we can just get rid of this little in the beginning. And then we'll take this part right here and we will copy, paste, 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 and paste, paste, paste. Alright, so let's get rid of each of those clicks because it's kind of annoying, to be honest. And now let's listen. Perfect. And now let's just take this, copy, paste. Alright. So we'll have this, and we'll export this. Or I made a mistake. I should have uploaded it to the Sprite. So let's just upload sound, recording7.wave, and here it is. So now let's go to code. When I receive blow, we can just duplicate this, and then two-finger delete those blocks. When I receive blow, play sound, recording7, and then when I receive blow, duplicate that, forever, and then if, inside that, if key space pressed, stop all sounds. Stop all sounds. Alright, let's test this. And now it just stopped everything. So we should actually go in and we should change this to something like 30, 2 times the amount, and look at that. So now you can like add music, you can do other things to it, you can just like, you know, modify it, and there you go. We have our game on Scratch. So I hope you learned something from this, and have fun. See you in the next episode. Bye.